Happy Friday, and welcome back to TradeFT Daily Financial News. We're here with the week's wrap-up and today's key market insights, helping you close out strong. Be sure to subscribe and explore TradeFT.com for more news, resources, and analysis to keep you on top of your game. And in today's top story, Wall Street pulled back on Thursday as investors digested key economic data ahead of next week's Federal Reserve meeting. U.S. producer prices rose more than expected in November, sparking concerns about inflation, while initial jobless claims unexpectedly climbed. The Nasdaq hit an all-time high on Wednesday, but fell back by 0.66%, closing at 19,902.84. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 lost 0.54%, and the Dow Jones dropped 0.53%. Tech stocks had mixed results. Microsoft edged up slightly, but Adobe plummeted nearly 14% after a disappointing forecast. And in Forex news, the dollar surged to a 2.5-week high against major currencies, gaining over 1.1% this week. Market sentiment is leaning heavily towards a Federal Reserve rate cut next week. However, traders are cautious about further cuts in 2025. The dollar gained 1.8% on the yen, hitting its highest level since late November. Meanwhile, the euro slipped to $1.0457, its lowest since late last month, following the European Central Bank's 25 basis point rate cut. Over in Asia, stocks took a hit. The MSCI Asia-Pacific Index fell by 0.5%, with China's blue chip index down 0.7%. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei slipped 1%, but still managed a 0.9% weekly gain. A strong dollar and rising treasury yields are dampening risk appetite globally. This week, longer-term U.S. Treasury yields saw their biggest jump since October 2023, adding further pressure on equities. And now, commodities. Oil prices are heading for a weekly rise, with Brent crude at $73.48 per barrel, up 3% this week. The market is reacting to sanctions on Russian and Iranian oil, alongside hopes for Chinese stimulus. Gold prices are also in focus, with the metal up 2% this week, trading at $2,688.29 per ounce. Traders are awaiting the Federal Reserve's decision, which could drive further movement in precious metals next week. That's a wrap for the week from TradeFT Daily Financial News. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep others informed. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.